Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. I bought this from Amazon. As you can see, we have this part for the kids, and these are bands come to the attached to the kids. And also they put this one. It's comfortable and quality is good. And come to inside that and attach the back of this is flexible and very comfortable. Here they have it. Put this tiny button. You can remove this one. Let me remove from this and like this. It's come or attach this part. Again, it's easily removable for anything. And the wood quality here is very nice. I like it. And after the baby grow up, they have a support part. You can attach this part here. And yes, but they put like this, and the kids can put the legs on this, and it should be attached. I didn't use that one, and here this is go inside that I didn't install completely, but yes, it's go to the inside here. Very comfortable, quality is very nice, and it's wide enough. I put the measurement in the images so you can check the image, but I want to show you here how is again the big. As you can see, this is the 9-inch. Here is a 15-inch back side. Also is gorgeous, and quality of the wood is nice. It's very nice wood and it's gorgeous. Totally I like it, and it's very nice, very easy install. These are just one click. You need to attach this one with a screw, but that's you don't need if the baby is still low weight. But if they grow up, it's better you attach this one. Totally I like it. And again, we look inside and how comfortable it is itself. Quality of material is nice. You don't feel any bad smell of plastic. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Okay, so this is the high chair in question. As you can see, the straps are very flimsy. They are difficult to clean because they don't come out. You can get the crotch strap out. Look at that. That's. I mean, this high chair is only 2.5 months old. You can't get it clean because the tray, from what we can find, does not easily come off, and we have tried. Ugh, it's so disgusting. I hate having this in my kitchen. It embarrasses me when people come in. If I could afford to just throw it away or donate it for a new high chair, I would do that. Do not waste your money. This is staining already. When the baby eats keratinized foods, it permanently stains the tray. Gross, folks. Don't waste your money.
Okay, let's talk about the Lalo high chair because yes, baby gear can actually look good in your home. It's super easy to clean, lightweight, but also sturdy, and the tray just pops on and off super easily. The footrest can also be flipped, giving a couple extra inches for your growing baby. Something I really love about this high chair is that it grows with your little and can turn from a high chair into a play chair later on.